Okay, good day. Again, this is Miss Joanne Roman, and in this video, we're going to find the equation of the circle given the center and the radius. Okay, so let me share my ayan, screen. Okay, so in circle, we have two cases here. So the first case will be the center is on the origin or has coordinates of 0, 0, and the other case is the center has coordinates of h and k. Okay, so if the center has coordinates of 0, 0 or and the origin po, so the equation of the circle will be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay, but if the circle has the center with coordinates of h and k, so the equation of the circle will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so this will be the equations or the standard form of the equation of the circle with center and radius po. Okay, so now let's try to find the equation or the standard equation of the circle if the center is on the origin and the value of r is equal to 3. Okay, so what are we going to do is just to substitute the value of r in the given equation. Again, the equation of the circle with the center on the origin is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So just simply substitute the value of r, and that is x squared plus y squared is equal to, the value of r is 3, so that is 3 squared. Okay, and simplify. That is x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared is 9. So why is it 9? The exponent will tell you how many times you need to multiply the base by itself. So 3 squared is just the same with 3 multiplied by 3. And 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So this is the equation of the circle in standard form. Again, this is the standard form of the equation of the circle with the center 0, 0 and radius is equal to 3. Okay, so another example. Another example, center is on the origin pa rin. So if the center is on the origin, so 0, 0, and the r is equal to 2 over 3, for example. Again, just simply substitute the value of r in the equation. Okay, so that is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So this is the standard equation of the circle if the center is on the origin and we have value of r. Okay, so substitute the value of r. So x squared plus y squared is equal to, the value of r is 2 over 3. So that is 2 over 3 and the exponent is 2. So apply the law of exponent. If we have fractions, so a over b, then raised to n. So that is equal to a raised to n over b raised to n. So it means that we have to distribute the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator. So now, if we have here 2 over 3 squared, so that is equal to 2 squared over 3 squared. So just copy x squared plus y squared. Again, 2 over 3 squared. 2 squared is 4 over 3, the denominator, raised to 2, so the exponent is 2. 3 squared is 9. Okay, so now the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 over 9. Okay, so another example. If the center has coordinates of 0, 0, and the radius is equal to square root of 10, for example. Okay, so what will be the equation of the circle in standard form? So again, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Substitute the value of r. So that is x squared plus y squared is equal to the value of r is square root of 10 and the exponent is 2. So if we have square root and the exponent is 2, we can cancel the square root, cancel the exponent 2. Okay, so again, simplify. X squared plus y squared is equal to, again, we have exponent 2 and square root. So we can cancel the square root, cancel the exponent 2, and the answer will be equal to 10. Okay, so example, if we have square root of 5 and raised to 2, we can cancel the square root, cancel the exponent 2, and square root of 5 raised to 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so the radicand will be the answer po. Okay po, so now, the equation or the standard form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. Okay, are we clear? Okay, so now, what will be the general form of the equation of the circle? So the standard form of the equation of the circle is in the form of x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So the general form will be x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. So just arrange in this form. Okay? So what we have on right hand side is 0. Okay? So it means if we have value on right hand side, so just simply transpose it to the left side. Okay, so let's try to transform this x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. Again, 0 lang dapat yung nasa right hand side. So, ibig sabihin, itong 10 na to kailangan nating ilipat sa left side. Okay? Using addition property of equality. So, this will be x squared plus y squared. From positive 10, that will become negative 10. Okay? Once na nilipat na natin siya sa kabilang side. And that is equal to 0 na lang po ang natira sa right-hand side. Okay? So now, the general form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay? So this is the standard form and this is the general form. Okay. So now, another example. What if the center has coordinates of negative 5 and positive 3 and the radius is equal to 4? Again, if the center has coordinates of h and k, so the standard form of the equation of the circle will be quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so what are we going to do here is just to substitute the value of our h, k, and r. Okay, so this is our center. The value of our h is negative 5 and the value of our k is 3. So the x coordinate will be h, and the y coordinate will be the value of our k. Again, just simply substitute lang po. Okay? So again, the equation will be x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Substitute x minus the value of h is negative 5. So negative 5 squared plus y minus the value of our k is 3. So that is 3 squared is equal to the value of r, which is 4. So 4, and we also have exponent 2 here. Okay, and just simplify. So this will be x negative multiplied by negative, that will become positive. Okay, so positive 5 squared. Then plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 4 squared. Again, 4 squared is 4 multiplied by 4, and that is equal to 16. Okay, so now the standard form of the equation of the circle is x plus 5 squared plus the quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to 16. Again, this is the standard form of the circle. Okay, standard form of the equation of the circle. Okay po? Okay, so now, what will be the general form? So again, the general form is x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. Okay, so but what we have here is x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 16. So what are we going to do here is to expand this binomial, x plus 5 squared, and expand this y minus 3 squared. Okay? And itong 16 ililipat sa kabilang side. So kunin natin ang standard form. Our standard form is x plus 5 squared plus the quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to 16. Okay, so again, this binomial, we can expand this using the rule in special product. So in special product, we're just going to, again, x plus 5 squared, we're just going to raise the first term into 2. Okay, so our first term is x raised to 2, and that is x squared. And next, this 5, or the second term, multiplied by the first term, so 5 times x is 5x, then multiply it by 2. Okay, so 5 times x is 5x times 2, that is 10x. And that will be the second term. And then next, this second term, we're going to raise it to 2. Okay, so the exponent is 2. So 5, which is the second term, raised to 2 is equal to 25. So that will be the trinomial if we're going to expand this x plus 5 squared. Okay, again, x first term raised to 2 is x squared. Next, first term multiplied by second term. So x times 5 is 5x. Multiply it by 2, and that will be plus 10x. Okay? And the third term will be yung second term natin raised to 2. Okay? Our second term here is 5 raised to 2, and that is 25. So if we're going to expand x plus 5 squared, that is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, so next, expand this quantity y minus 3 squared. Okay, so again, that is plus y squared, which is our first term. So y squared. Next, y multiplied by negative 3. First term multiplied by the second term. Again, y multiplied by negative 3, that is negative 3y. Then multiply it by 2, and that is negative 6y. Again, y times negative 3 is negative 3y. Then multiply it by 2. So negative 3y times 2 is negative 6y. Next, Second term, which is negative 3 raised to 2, or negative 3 squared, is positive 9. So if we're going to expand quantity y minus 3 squared, that is equal to y squared minus 6y plus 9. And that is equal to 16. Okay, so we're going to arrange this equation into general form. Again, that should be in the form of x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. 0 lang dapat yung nasa right-hand side, and ganito ang dapat na arrangement na nasa left-hand side. So, arrange. X squared muna, then plus y squared, and next, cx. So, that is 10x. So, plus 10x. Next, dy. So, hanapin yung may y. So, that is minus 6y. And pag samasamahin natin lahat ng constant, we have here positive 25 or plus 25, positive 9 or plus 9. From positive 16, ililipat natin sa kabilang side. So, from positive, that will become negative 16. So, minus 16 is equal to, ano na lang ang matitira sa kanan? 0 na lang po. Okay? And after that, just combine like terms, simplify itong mga constant. X squared copy, wala tayong i-combine dito sa x squared. Y squared plus 10x minus 6y. So, 25 plus 9 is equal to 34 minus 16. Again, 25 plus 9 is 34 minus 16. That is equal to positive 22 is equal to 0. So, now, is it in the form of x squared plus y squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0? Okay, so yes po. So, 0 na lang ang nasa right-hand side, and na-arrange naman natin siya in general form. So, this is the general form of the equation of the circle with center negative 5 and 3, and the radius is positive 4. Okay? So, ganun lang po ang pag-arrange. Ganun lang din po ang pagkuha ng standard form and yung pag-arrange from standard form to general form, or pag-transform from standard form to general form. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan, and ayun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe and God bless.